Plant FAQs. Dark Horse Weigela. Dark Horse Weigela, a showstopper shrub for your landscape. Hi there, Ferbvu here. I'm a plant enthusiast and I'd love to talk to you about the Dark Horse Weigela, a stunning shrub that adds drama and beauty to any garden. This isn't your average Weigela. The Dark Horse boasts unique features that set it apart. Let's delve into some of the most common questions I get about this beauty. What makes the Dark Horse Weigela special? The Dark Horse Weigela stands out with its captivating foliage. Unlike its green counterparts, this shrub flaunts rich, dark bronze leaves with a hint of lime green veination. This striking combination creates a dramatic focal point in your garden. But the magic doesn't stop there. Come spring, the Dark Horse erupts in a profusion of purplish-pink, trumpet-shaped flowers. These blooms attract hummingbirds and butterflies, adding a touch of life and vibrancy to your outdoor space. On top of its visual appeal, the Dark Horse Weigela is a low-maintenance shrub. It thrives in average, well-drained soil and requires minimal watering once established. Plus, its compact size, typically reaching 2 to 3 feet tall, makes it ideal for smaller gardens or planting in containers. How to plant and care for Dark Horse Weigela. Planting your Dark Horse Weigela is a breeze. Choose a location that receives full sun to partial shade. Dig a hole twice the width of the root ball and ensure good drainage. Water deeply after planting and regularly during the first growing season. Once established, watering needs become less frequent. For optimal growth, feed your Dark Horse Weigela with a balanced fertilizer in early spring before new growth appears. Pruning is minimal. You can lightly shape the shrub after the flowering period has ended. How much sun does the Dark Horse Weigela need? Your Dark Horse Weigela will thrive in full sun to partial shade. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day for the best flowering. Is the Dark Horse Weigela deer resistant? Fortunately, deer tend to find the Dark Horse Weigela unpalatable. This makes it a great choice for gardens frequented by these browsing herbivores. Does the Dark Horse Weigela rebloom? While not technically a reblooming variety, the Dark Horse Weigela may produce a few scattered flowers throughout the summer after its main spring bloom. Can I grow the Dark Horse Weigela in a container? Absolutely. The Dark Horse Weigela's compact size makes it perfect for container gardening. Choose a pot with good drainage and use a high-quality potting mix. Dark Horse Weigela versus other Weigela varieties. There are many Weigela varieties available, each with its unique charm. Here's a quick comparison of the Dark Horse to some popular choices. Weigela Florida Variegata. This Weigela features green leaves edged with creamy white, offering a contrasting foliage effect. It grows taller than the Dark Horse, reaching up to 8 feet. Weigela Florida Alexandra. Known for its vibrant, deep red flowers, the Alexandra Weigela boasts green foliage. It has a similar size and growth habit to the Dark Horse. Weigela Florida Nana Variegata. This dwarf Weigela is ideal for smaller gardens. It features variegated green and cream leaves with red flowers. It's significantly smaller than the Dark Horse, reaching only 1 to 2 feet tall. Ultimately, the best Weigela for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you desire a compact shrub with dramatic foliage and beautiful flowers, the Dark Horse Weigela is a winner. Bringing the Dark Horse Weigela into your garden. The Dark Horse Weigela is a versatile shrub that adds a touch of sophistication and vibrancy to any landscape. Its low-maintenance nature makes it ideal for busy gardeners, while its deer resistance adds another layer of appeal. So, if you're looking for a showstopper shrub that doesn't require constant attention, the Dark Horse Weigela might be your perfect match. With its captivating foliage and beautiful blooms, this shrub is sure to become a cherished addition to your garden.